In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Word document for real-time co-authoring. To get started, make sure your document is stored in the cloud so Word can keep everyone's changes in sync. Save your document to OneDrive or SharePoint Online. OneDrive is great for your personal or individual work folders, while SharePoint Online is ideal for team sites managed by your organization. Choose the location that makes sense for your project, give the file a clear name, and confirm you're connected to the internet so updates happen smoothly. Next, go to File, then select Share, and choose Share with People. This opens the sharing panel where you decide who gets access. In the address box, enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. Double-check spelling here. The right email ensures the right person gets in. If your organization manages accounts, make sure you use the addresses they'll sign in with so permissions apply correctly. Before you send the invitation, choose the level of access. Select Can Edit if you want true co-authoring, where everyone can type, format, and update content right alongside you. Pick Can View if someone only needs to read or review without changing the file. If you're unsure, start with Can Edit for your core collaborators and Can View for observers. You can adjust these settings later from the same Share pane if needs change. When you're ready, click Send to share the link. Your collaborators will receive an email link that opens the document either in Word on the web or the desktop app, depending on what they choose. As long as the file stays on OneDrive or SharePoint and they have permission, you're set for real-time teamwork. Open the shared document and keep working as you normally would. You'll see edits from others appear in real time. Word uses colored flags or cursors to show who's editing each section, often with their initials, so you can quickly tell where teammates are active. You can keep typing while they edit. Word merges changes automatically. If someone goes offline, their updates will sync when they reconnect, but you'll get the smoothest experience with a steady connection and autosave turned on. That's all it takes. Save to OneDrive or SharePoint, share with people, choose the right permissions, send the link, and watch changes come to life as your team edits together. With these steps, you'll collaborate faster, avoid version confusion, and keep everyone aligned in one shared document.